Hi, brothers and sisters. My name is Eric Bison, the president and CEO of Middle East Healthcare Foundation. I know many say there's a lot of videos coming forward, but the thing is, I just want to keep reminding us of the kind of things that we should be thinking about. And at Middle East Healthcare Foundation, being a new foundation, we know that all these things need to be approached and need to be attended to. And we are going to work hand in hand with you to make sure that we attend to these kind of things. And one of the things that that came to our attention is our aging population. Most of the time we focus on just ourselves or our generation, but we forgot about our grandparents, our parents, that aging population. We forgot about their short-term and long-term memory and how they track facts when it comes to their day-to-day activities. Because most of the time when it comes to the rural areas, our elderly tend to focus more on the traditional method because they have no alternative, because they have no education on what is around them and the kind of diseases that affect them and how they can approach those things. But at the same time, we neglect them because we think they are old, or they can't reason, or they can't think, or they can't read. But there are practical ways, simple way that you and I can educate them on what is around them, especially when it comes to Alzheimer's disease, when it comes to memory loss, when it comes to short-term and long-term memory. Those kind of simple things that we can elaborate with them. When it comes to diabetes, most of them have them, but since we don't have the means to test them, we just abandon that platform. But it is time that we focus on how together, joining Mary Louise Healthcare Foundation, we can come up with tests. We can even talk to other people to see how we can come up with strategies in order to examine the fact of Alzheimer's, memory, long-term and short-term when it comes to our aging population in Cameroon. We should not abandon them. We should not forget about them. We should also remember that they made it possible for us to be where we are today. They are our grandparents, so we ought to look after them. So it is time that we focus on their life, we focus on the kind of sickness that are attributed to our elderly population. And it is time that you and I focus on helping them gain their stability in life, be somebody in life. It doesn't mean because they are old or they are aging, then they are nobody. They are somebody. They made it possible for you and I to be where we are right now. So let's focus on how we can help them assess the certain sickness and diseases that affect that aging population. Try to help them with the nursing care. It is our responsibility to do that. So it is time we wake up and focus together. Joining Mary Louise Healthcare Foundation together, we can work on the kind of tests or even invite international organizations to help with the kind of tests that we need to assess our aging population and how we can reduce the diabetic process, the aging or long-term memory when it comes to our aging population. So it is time we focus on our aging population. It is time we focus on our grandparents, on our parents' health, and see how we can help them. So join Mary Louise Healthcare Foundation, join our community mobilization team in Cameroon that works, is going to work on the door-to-door aspect of understanding what the aging population is like and what they need when it comes to their health care. Join Mary Louise Healthcare Foundation and join our community mobilization team. Let's help this aging population. It is time we give back to them what they gave to us: life, knowledge. Don't put it back on your mind that since they can't read or understand, then they should be abandoned. No, they should be taken care of. Our aging population, our grandparents are what made it possible for us to be where we are today. Let's take care of them. Again, this is Eric Bison, the president and CEO of Middle East Healthcare Foundation. Thank you and may God bless you all.